Hello guys, welcome back to Sanele F Channel. Guys, I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Isibaya from the 7th to the 10th of January 2020. Guys, kwenzekalani between these two? Leave your comment below and share your thoughts. Bye.